May I watch you one? Oh yeah, because I eat at the ticket, isn't it? Yeah, hurry up then, I'm going to see. Yeah, go on. Yeah, or if I'm going, I just come back. So you want to say you're going to come back on the food there. Huh? You want to eat here? Yeah, no, I'm going to eat here and I come help and help me do everything. So, I understand. So, you understand? So, yeah, it's going to be the time. It's done. Rock said it's at the gravy mega make and cook the something. When you tell us I'm done now. Sarah, what's Sarah calling me? My neighbor. Sorry, whoa! Sorry, it's me. Sorry, it's me. It's me. Sorry, it's me. My phone rang, neighbor. My phone rang, my neighbor. Let's get this ball rolling. So, see that now? Alright. So, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. I'm going to turn on the stove first. Alright, which one is bigger? So this is one big fire. The fire is not so big, this big, which is not also. Let's see it work now. Alright, and the one here now. Alright, hot up, yellow gas, high, alright. Nothing in there yet, so what I'm going to do? I'm going to turn it down. And a bun up chicken we are looking for, right? I'm going to turn it down. Because I have to make my sauce. Pineapple ready yet? Pineapple ready? Adenia? Asking the pineapple ready. Season. Be right back, Misha. Big up, big up. So Roxy got the guys 101 likes. Big up for myself. Alright. Now even this out. One more time. I've got more time. I used to have a different life before the world turned upside down. I think maybe I want the rest of the time. Yeah? Wait, Miss wait a minute. You turn up me already? I think so. I think I turned them out there eating. Alright, we gotta do our work, guys. So we are eating up this, guys. Watch some more time. I'm holding on by a thread, but I'm slipping away. Time, guys. Time. Let's see. Time. So the sweet pepper, pimento, onion, scallion. Right? Bernard, ready? I'm not going to say it. Tell me want it now. I tell Bernard to cut it now. It's the pineapple for me now. We need it now. Right this way. It takes me 1 minute to cut it. Bernard, let's cut the pineapple just to be quick and fast. I'll boil the kettle back. All hot water can come out of the pipe. Cutting it? Can I cut it? Huh? Huh? Don't want it. No.